uNgodwana uthi uzobeka eqhulwini izingqinamba ezibhekene nezakhamuzi zalo mkhandlu. Uqokwe emva kokususwa kwaThenia Campbell ngevoti lokungathenjwa kobuholi bakhe.
I wish to call upon administration to an aggressive cleaning campaign in the townships and towns throughout the city, and ensuring that there is optimum usage of landfill sites to be used as recycling centers, thus creating more jobs opportunities.
uNdunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthi ukukhethwa kaNgodwana usho ukulethwa kwezidingo ebantwini.
We really believe that we can then start to accelerate the issue of service delivery to our people. And the three metros combined, we believe if we work together, our first target should be to deal with the issue of water and electricity across the three metros.
Kusenjalo iEFF nayo ibiseka uNgodwana. Uhlalo wayo waseGauteng uNkululeko Dunga uthi bazibophezele ekusekeni uhulumeni onozinzo kulomkhandlu.
We are happy, and yes, we will be engaging with all political organizations because we understand that this is a government or a governance of minorities who form part of a majority.
uNgodwana kulindele ukuthi aqoke amalungu ekomiti omkhandlu maduze nje.